Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and this is a video response for Gracie21. Grace is having a birthday challenge and giveaway. Her birthday, this is her birthday month, and she's asking her subscribers to submit an ATC card that includes their contact information. She's going to have a drawing, and there are some awesome prizes, especially if you like using your planner. For more information, check out her video, which I have the link below. And what I did was I just used some really pretty paper that I have from Casey and Company. I think that's it. And then I used one of my favorite ribbons, and I stamped it with my stamp that I normally put on the back of my cards. And then I inked up the edges and put a little bling on it. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and check out Grace's channel for more information on her birthday challenge and giveaway. Have a nice day. Bye.